What does it mean when the AirPod case is flashing orange?
Hello there, AirPods users. Today, we're here to demystify a common query that's often brought up. What does it mean when the AirPod case is flashing orange? This blinking light can indeed cause some confusion, but worry not. We're here to clear things up.
The significance of the flashing orange light.
When your AirPods case is flashing orange, it typically means that your AirPods are not pairing properly with your device, or that there might be an issue with the charging status of your AirPods. The orange light also flashes when the AirPods are in the process of a firmware update. This color signal is crucial in understanding the health and status of your AirPods.
Reasons behind the orange flashing light.
Here are some reasons why your AirPods case may be flashing orange. 1. Improper pairing. This can occur if you've recently unpaired your AirPods from your device and then attempted to pair them again. 2. Charging issues. If the AirPods or the charging case battery is critically low, you may see an orange light. 3. Firmware update. Sometimes, during a firmware update process, the light may flash orange.
Solutions for the orange flashing light.
An orange flashing light is not a death sentence for your AirPods. Here are some common solutions to fix this. 1. Ensure correct pairing. Try to forget the device from your Bluetooth settings and repair the AirPods. 2. Check charging status. Make sure both your AirPods and case have sufficient charge. Try plugging in the case to ensure it's not running low on battery. 3. Wait for the update to complete. If it's a firmware update causing the orange light, waiting for the update to complete should resolve the issue. So that's what it means when your AirPods case flashes orange. It's not a huge cause for alarm, but a signal for you to check on a few things with your device. We hope this has been helpful and illuminating. Until next time, happy listening.